Hello YouTube, it's Moot Adventure. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to do a little review on some C4 pre-workout and some 6-star creatine. Yeah, let's get to it. We'll start with creatine right here. Yeah, you got the 6-star creatine. Yeah, creatine's good for when you're working out in between your sets, help your muscles recover and everything. This here's got 3.3 milligrams creatine times 3 blend. It says 4 times scientifically shown to build 4 times more muscle. It helps you build muscle, improves recovery between sets. Yeah, so you need that. Take you some creatine. That's some good stuff. Yourself, if you want to pause it and get a look at that. Yeah, creatine. Here's the C4 Ultimate Pre-Workout. There's some pretty good stuff too. Yeah, if you need that kick for your workout, it's got 300 milligrams of caffeine. It's got your pump formula in there to keep you pumped. It's got the other stuff to help with endurance, stamina, keep you focused. And stuff here get you fired up. Pause it there if you want to check that out. Here's all your stuff here. See, alertness, performance, and endurance. Yeah, there's a little review of these, and yeah, this is flavored strawberry watermelon. This pink, this real pink, looks like Nesquik. Looks like Nesquik strawberry milk powder. That's how pink it is. I mean, it's pink. And these are just white pills. That's your creatine. If you're looking to help with your recovery, help you build muscle, take your creatine, and help you power through them workouts. Get you some C4. Get some pre-workout. Help you through them workouts. Creatine, help you build muscle, help you recover after you work out, keep you rock hard. So as always, yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, please like, share, and subscribe, comment what kind of stuff y'all like to take, and what y'all take, everything else and whatnot. Leave it in the comments. Till then, catch you on the next one. Moot out.